With the weather getting cooler, we need a nice warm sip on these cold winter nights. I've got the perfect option. This slow cooker hot chocolate is just the ticket, and I cannot wait to show you. Hi, I'm Becky from thecookierookie.com, and today I'm partnering with my favorite authentic Italian bakery, Mulino Bianco. Today we're going to be using their Cuoricini cookies paired with our slow cooker hot chocolate to make the ultimate cozy sip for friends and family. We have some tips and tricks to make it extra creamy, and no one will believe that you made it in a slow cooker. I love this recipe, especially around Christmas. If it's snowy outside, you better believe we're making this hot chocolate. You guys know I love easy recipes. It is what my brand is based on, so this recipe is absolutely perfect for me. It is as simple as throwing everything in the slow cooker. We're gonna start with good quality milk chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate if that's what you prefer, but I am a sucker for milk chocolate. Do not let me catch you using anything but the best quality chocolate chips, because we want this extra smooth, extra creamy, and high quality every time. And then we're gonna follow that up by both heavy cream and skim milk. I like to tell myself this is a diet recipe because we're using skim milk. We're gonna add a little bit of peppermint extract, and here is where you can get creative. You could add orange liqueur if you're serving to just adults. You could add any flavoring under the sun, or you could leave it out. It could be regular hot chocolate, raspberry hot chocolate, whatever you'd like. Now comes the star of the show and the secret ingredient that makes this slow cooker peppermint hot chocolate ultra rich and ultra creamy. We're gonna use an entire can of sweetened condensed milk. You will not believe this texture. It is going to be your very favorite hot chocolate recipe. And then you're just gonna let the slow cooker do its magic. Give it a nice stir to start off the process. Cover and cook on low for about 2 hours. Once the chocolate is melted and cooked through, you are good to go. While the hot chocolate is finishing up its job, melting and getting all smooth and delicious, you can make your homemade whipped cream. Just use heavy cream, a little bit of powdered sugar, and I'm gonna make this peppermint whipped cream. Just a little bit of peppermint extract, a little bit goes a long way. You just beat this until it's firm and creamy to your liking. I think we're ready to go and enjoy our slow cooker peppermint hot chocolate. You just want to ladle into your glasses. I'm gonna top with marshmallows for Pat and whipped cream for me. And then of course, top with our Mulino Bianco Cuoricini cookies. A heart-shaped Cuoricini cookie dipped in hot chocolate is the ultimate cozy sweet treat. I love spoiling loved ones with a homemade treat paired with an amazing store-bought delicacy. I don't have time to make these authentic Italian cookies, and they are the perfect addition to the slow cooker hot chocolate. Hop over to thecookierookie.com for the full details.